Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a super launch from Huawei, the Mate 50. It was launched with a series of news that surprised the company's customers. So before we show you all the news, leave your like and subscribe to our channel. The first novelty of the Mate 50 model is that it has support for satellite communication. The function operates via beta technology. It will be available for when it is not possible for you to use Wi-Fi, 4G, or 3G connections. This line has the Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 and the internal storage options are 256 and 512 gig. The model will feature a 6.7-inch OLED display and full HD resolution. The component for zoom is 64 megapixels in the Mate 50 Pro version, with optical zoom of 3.5 times and digital up to 100 times. The main novelty for those who like photography is the variable aperture of the main camera, which can assume an f1.4 in low-light environments or reach f4 in very bright places. The Mate 50 Pro has a 3D sensor, ToF. The device can also perform 3D facial recognition with greater precision and security. The sensor for selfies is 13 megapixels. The battery has 4,460 mAh, with 66W recharges, and the downside of this version is that it won't have the 5G option, so if you're thinking of having fast internet, this won't be the right model for you. So this is today's video. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Until the next video.